All right, guys, I'm out here in the garage. It is pushing lunchtime here. It's about 10 to 12. 74 degrees, 44% humidity. Yeah, it's pretty nice out here. Well, guys, we're fixing to do the drawing number 2 here. I'm gonna give away both of these. We're gonna do them both at the same time, kind of cut to the chase, you know. Well, guys, this is the 454 blown big block Chevy. Man, this is a really nice one. This has got the power steering pump, the AC pump, the alternator and all that. It's really dialed up pretty good. And then this one over here, this is kind of bowed because I had it sitting in the box and it kind of bowed it a little bit. Doesn't affect the parts any though, but this is the 572 big block. You can do it as a single 4-barrel setup or tunnel ram setup. Here's the tunnel ram setup. Either way, you can have it where it's already all together. The carbs are already on the intake, or the carbs are separate. And then here's the, where's it at? Here's the intake here, and the carburetor for the, and there's the air cleaner, the triangle shaped one for the single setup, if that's what you prefer. But that's kind of a dual setup there. But anyway, guys, we're gonna draw for both of these at the same time. So if you guys want to get in on this one, just like last time, guys, post a reply here that you want in on this, and we're going to give both of these away at the same time. And like I said, if you're the winner on this one, you can't be in on this one, okay? Because we want to have two different winners here, not the same person, if they got lucky enough to be drawn twice. But it has happened. But if you guys want in on this, post a reply that you want in, and we're gonna get with it on this one. All right, I'm done.